Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Um, just a quick little update. This isn't going to be anything special, and it's not a bad update. It's just some things around my house going on that I haven't had a lot of time to crochet and work on other stuff. But anyway, I wanted to jump on here because I want your guys' opinion about something. For those of you that don't know, I had shown I think it was an antique haul, maybe. I can't remember what I named the video, but I had said in the video that a woman at an antique store had a huge supply of, no, I shouldn't say supply, but a huge shelf full of crochet dolls. And I picked the ones out that I wanted, and I got to the register, and the lady told me, she's like, you know what, just take them, you can have them, nobody's buying them, yada yada. To make a long story short, so I politely asked her because I didn't want to get greedy. I said, can I please go back to the shelf and get more that I can have because I want to give it away on my channel, blah, blah, blah. Well, one of the things I picked up was this doll. And, I mean, she had a dress on and everything. Nothing special about her. But the more I got to looking at her, the more I was like, I want to find online a place that sells head and hand sets so I can tell you guys about it so you guys can order the head and hand sets for a decent price, not outrageously priced or outrageously priced on shipping. Um, and then we can make a doll like this and make clothes for the doll. You know, just a little something different from what you usually see. And I think I finally found something online. I found this head, and she comes with hands. Now, the reason I wanted to go, like, there's so many different reasons that I couldn't pick this head, I couldn't pick this head, I couldn't pick this head. You know, only one in stock, or they're too big, too little, doesn't come with hands, um, too expensive, the shipping is outrageous. And I found this head and hand set. And I ordered it. It came in the other day, and I love the size of it. It's a good size. She's cute. The hands I can work with. So I'm liking this set for a tutorial. Now, I emailed the company to ask how many they have in stock because I don't want to make this tutorial with this doll and this head and hand set and then tell you guys about where I got it, and then you go to order it and they only have like 3 in stock. So I emailed to ask how many they have in stock, and they haven't answered me yet at the time of filming this. So if you know, when you guys watch this, check the description box, and I will put if they replied, I will put down there, you know, what they said. If they have a decent stock of these, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the tutorial. I think this was $5. Shipping, I don't remember what the shipping was. I think it was like 3 maybe. So that's, I mean, it's not too bad. It's a decent price for the head and hand set. But I think, let me know what you guys think. I know you can find these online, not these, but I mean, find doll head and hand sets online. Just, they're crazy priced. They're crazy on the shipping. But this, I'm happy with this. So let me know what you guys think if you'd be interested in this, and check the description box and I'll let you guys know how many they have in stock. And if, you know, like I said, if they have a lot, I'll do it. If not, then there's really no sense, I think. I don't know. We'll see. But I also wanted to, another reason I wanted to get on here was because I wanted to tell you guys I haven't forgot all these plans I've got, you know, the crocheter tails. I haven't forgot about that. We're still gonna do it. It's just I've only gotten like 3-4 stories. So I was kind of hoping I'd have a little bit more for the first episode. So if you could, my email is in the description box. Oop, didn't mean to drop that. My email is in the description box. Shoot me an email and tell me a crocheter tale, which, I mean, it's just a story about, you know, your crochet story. So for instance, mine would be about the time that I spent almost an entire day and night making this adorable crocheted mermaid for my sister's stepdaughter that I had just found out was going to be at Christmas. So I spent that entire day and then that night making this mermaid for her, and I wrapped it up and I got it done just in time for Christmas. We go to Christmas, she opens it, pulls it out of the box, and just looked at it and threw it down and crossed her arms and was like, "This isn't what I wanted." Yep, that is my crocheter tale. So I mean, email me and let me know what you guys tell me a story that I can share in a video. And then if you email me, put in the subject line crocheter tale so I know where to go. But I haven't forgot about it. We're still gonna do it. I was just kind of hoping for a few more before before I do an episode. But so there's that. And I don't remember if I told this or not. My brother-in-law came across a listing on Facebook. I think it was a city swap buy sell trade. I don't know what it was. It was something like that on Facebook Marketplace or on Facebook. And he came across this listing of 2 totes that were full of crochet patterns. And the lady was giving them away for free. And if you're watching, Sandy, I think is your name. Thank you for that. I couldn't be happier. I went through all of those patterns and I put them up. Some were from the 60s. Well, anyway, there was a bunch of Crochet World and like these little quick and eat. I think I can show you guys the stack. Let me turn my camera so you guys can see the stack that I have. Yeah, that is the stack of magazines that we have to go through on the magazine flip through episodes that I'm doing. So this isn't going to end. It's going to go on forever. And for those of you that know, I gotta tell you this story because I thought this was so cool. I was going through these magazines and I was basically just looking at them, figuring, you know, if I liked them, if they were in good enough shape to show on camera. And I look at this one and I'm like, oh wow, this one's kind of cool. I like it. And I set it down and I looked at it and I looked at it and I'm like, I know the woman on the cover. And for those of you that do not know, I am a big All in the Family fan. I love Edith Bunker. I can do a impersonation of her voice. And I can sing the theme song. I love that show. Well, when I was looking at these magazines and I see the woman on the cover, I'm just looking at her and I'm looking at her and I'm like, that's Edith Bunker. Isn't that cool? Whenever I saw that, I'm like, why do I know her? Why do I know her? And I was like, oh. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought that was cool. Yeah, we have a huge stack to go through. Plus what we still haven't gone through over here. That series is never going to end. But anyway, like I said, this is just I wanted to jump on here and talk to you guys, let you know what was going on. Nothing changed much, just wanted to say hi. And that's it. So I'm going to get off here. I'm going to go work on more crocheting stuff and clean, cook dinner, all that fun stuff. But anyway, you guys are the greatest. I will see you in the next one. Bye.